honestly, I've been taking a tour of Oguta, and this place is Oguta Resort Lake. Resort Lake in Oguta. Very beautiful place. When I step down from this vehicle, you will get to see. I couldn't help but take videos, you know. We are telling you that this place, like Ala Igbo. Ala Igbo is beautiful. Ala Igbo is beautiful. Ala Igbo is beautiful. Come down to Ala Igbo. This is Crystal Lake Resorts and Tours. Very beautiful. Just like those kind of things you see elsewhere. Those kind of things you see elsewhere. Those beautiful resorts, places like America. Check out that stuff. That is a water what? Now you will come tell what you need. Mama here. Very beautiful, very beautiful. And Monday is every weekend. A place that every weekend, as in, if you are a lover of fun, if you are a lover of, resort and what have you, beautiful things, you ought to come to this kind of place. Look at it. I can't help but want to talk about this place. It's not really like I'm advertising, but if you call it an advert, that is what it is. Look at that beautiful. Come, let's see that place. Wow. And I'm just my first time of coming here, and I'm loving it already. Just how serene. I love my environment. How serene. I love my environment. Look at that. Look at that. I want you just turn the camera to them. Wow. I already love this place. I know I can take a walk. Yeah. Man. Wow. And this place, I think, it turns, every night it glitters, you know. Every night it glitters because all these are all lightning, as I can see, yeah. A beautiful garden. A beautiful garden in this resort. Look at the edifice that are in this resort. Very beautiful, very massive. Okay. Oh, sorry. Look at, it's a beautiful garden. Like a beautiful garden. I love this place. Crystal Lake Resort, Oguta. Crystal Lake Resort, Oguta. I can't imagine that the Ala Igbo, you know, beautiful. I love this kind of environment. Nothing gives me joy than this kind of environment. But let's still walk around and see other places. Yeah, you can talk. This is a speedboat. It's covered with a company. It's like a beach bike. Yeah, and that one too. Those things where they talk about. Hello, how are you? The place is under renovation. Yeah. Getting some weeks before this. Okay. Yeah. I've seen this type in Port Harcourt. Well, it's still under construction, but it's beautiful. It's beautiful to behold. The environment is super cool. Super cool. Super cool. They're still walking down there. That's the Uber. I'm not happy. Take you around and flush you in the pool here. It's about coffee. Yeah, I wish about 4 feet, man. This is truly a place to be. I mean, if it is still like those are boats. Boats. So that means there could be a lake. This is really an aquatic. It's an. I mean, it's a. How am I gonna put it?